Is the Care This Cat app really an easy way to earn $5 by clicking ads, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael, and many viewers have asked me about this app. So in this Care This Cat app review, I'll give you an inside look after having tested myself and share my experiences and opinions, so then you can see for yourself exactly how it works and if it's the right opportunity for you or not. So let's first start by going over who can join. And Care This Cat is an app you can only download for Android devices. It's not available on iOS devices. So if you're looking for ways to earn on an iOS device, then I have a video about that. I'll leave a link in the top corner. But if you have an Android device, then you can join this from more or less all countries as far as I've been able to find out. This does, however, not mean it's worth it, because let me just reveal right away, it's a little bit strange how it works. It has both some interesting features, but it also has some things that I'm a little bit worried about. So let me now log in, and then I will show you around, and then we can talk more about exactly whether you should join this or not. So I am now logged into the Care This Cat app, and when you first come in, this is all you can see. I can't create an account or anything. I can just see here that, Care This Cat, and then there's a play button there. So how do we then play the game? Well, I click this one, and then this is it. You see, I just need to click the cat, and then I earn points. Now I'm just clicking, and that's it. Then I earn points, and you can see it's super easy. And then I earn points here, but like I can't do anything else. I can't even take this out. There's nothing. You see, if I go back home there, this is all there's. There's no withdraw button. There's nothing. I just see points. It's very strange, but there is actually a way to get access to where you can see how to withdraw and where you see how to earn dollars instead. And this is very strange. I've never seen an earning app where it's like hidden like this. So let me show you how you find that feature. So at the top, you see this text. Right now, I'm just clicking. You can't see it, but I'm clicking it with my finger. I'm just continuously clicking it there. And then, suddenly, you see, then a new screen opens up. It's extremely weird. But, yeah. Anyways, then you suddenly see, then the game is not there anymore. Then I can watch ads and I can withdraw. Actually, I had earned something here, but because I wanted to show you how to get access to this, I deleted the app and then it just resets. So that's another little bit strange thing we'll talk more about later. But anyways, how it then works is that I would then click here to watch ads, and then you see I will watch some kind of ad that will come up. And then you can see in the top corner there is a counter, a countdown timer, and then once that is gone there, then I can close it down, the ad there, and then you can see I have earned. What seems a little bit strange is actually if I just do it again there, then it opens up again. I'll just have to wait a little bit. But then if I actually click the ad here somewhere and goes to a website, and then I will just let it open up here wherever it's going to open there. And then I'll just wait a few seconds here, and then I'll just jump back to the app. And then I'm back inside the app. Then again, I just have to wait until the countdown timer there goes down there. And then when it does that and I click it there, then in many cases, I actually earn a little bit more. But as you can see, I still don't earn a lot. I do earn some money, but it would take a lot of ads to even reach just $1. But these earnings for watching ads and clicking ads, it's not unrealistic. I've tested hundreds of sites that offer you to earn by clicking ads, so it's not like some kind of exaggerated earning claims or anything like that. But in general, you maybe will need to click hundreds or even thousands of ads before you will even reach $1. But if you then decide to do that, let's talk about this withdrawal method then. So you can see now I can click to withdraw, and then it comes here, and then I can choose a payment system, Payeer or PayPal it says here, and then if I just choose here to withdraw, you see, then it shows minimum withdrawal $5. So I can't see that until I actually try there. It's very strange there, but $5 to earn that I don't know how long I would have to spend doing that, but it would take a lot of patience. But it seems that you can potentially earn, but there are some things that worries me. So let me just close down the app, and then we'll talk about that, because this is something very important to consider before you download this app. So when it comes to Care This Cat, I understand why people think that it's an easy way to earn by clicking ads, but I'm also a little bit worried about it for several reasons. First of all, when you come to Google Play, you can't see that right now because I'm on my computer, but when you do it on your phone, you can see it says early access. And it has been in early access for months, and I have tested a lot of online earning apps, and in general, when they are in early access, it's a huge red flag usually, because what early access means is that there cannot be anyone leaving reviews. So you can't see people leaving reviews here. I can't say that they are not paying. What I can say is that it's just very strange that it keeps being in early access. And in general, when it comes to earning apps, I stay away from any earning apps that says it's in early access, because there's just so many app developers that takes advantage of that and just stay in early access, sometimes even for years, because then people can't leave reviews. I'm not saying that's the case here. I'm just saying that that's my personal approach. I never actually keep using apps that are in early access. I just sometimes download them to test them so I can share my experiences and opinions with you. That's one thing to consider. Secondly, when you create or when you download the app, you can't create an account. So I deleted the app and then opened again and it just resets. There's no way to create an account. That's very strange. So they are supposedly paying you without you creating an account, without verifying who you are. That's just, I again tested hundreds of different online earning platforms, and in general, of course, you should create an account also. Then you can actually use the same account if you accidentally delete the app, if something happens to your phone. That's not the case here. If the app disappears, your earnings disappears. That's very strange. And then thirdly, why when you come in, you just see this weird game. You can see they also have a screenshot of it here where you need to click this cat. Like, why is the earning feature hidden where you need to click there? It's just extremely strange. Like, what is the idea behind that? Like, of course, I would say, like, if it was a clear app that was just out to scam you, then they would not try to hide the ads, because they only earned by us watching the ads. So I don't understand this. Like, why would they hide it where you have to sit there and click a logo without them telling you? Like, I randomly found out, like, but I just don't understand that. It doesn't make sense for an earning app. So for these reasons, it's just an app I cannot recommend. So to sum it all up, Care This Cat, I cannot say for sure whether it will pay or not, but what I can say is that it has some big disadvantages, some big concerns in my opinion, that makes it an app that I will delete right away after having recorded this video here. In addition to that, also, even if it happens to pay, and if you used it and it been paid, please share below. I would love to hear from you. Or if you have reached the payout threshold, if you've been patient enough to that and didn't get paid, also please share. It would be great to hear. But my personal opinion is, no matter what, to reach the $5 to get paid, it takes an extreme amount of patience. It's a waste of time. You can spend hours and hours to be able to reach that. It will just not be worth your time. Then you're better off using other methods to earn online. Yes, there are pay-to-click sites where you can earn by clicking. I have a full guide about those on my website. I'll leave a link below, so then you can read more about what you in general can expect. Because earning by clicking is not something that will make you a lot of money, but there are methods to do that, so you can read more about that there. But I would say if you're looking for just ways to earn extra money, then using like Survey or Get Paid to sites where you can do different small micro tasks, that's something that's way more effective. I have a list of the best options like that in different countries on my website. I will leave a link below, then you can go there, choose your country, and see the platforms where you get a way better value for your time. And I hope this video helped you figure out exactly what to expect, and then you can decide for yourself whether you should download it or not. And no matter what, if this video helped you, then please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.